So here is a live stream cooking video, but I feel like, well, first off, I love my hair in these twin braids. It's the 3 braid in a braid style. So what I'm going to be making this evening, and it took me a while to finally get around to it, is I'm going to make microwave baba ganoush. Because, what if you don't feel like, people are always like, well, I have to get the oven going. And sometimes I feel like, what? I used to kind of look down on the microwave. I used to be like, oh, the microwave is so silly. It's not a real tool. But actually, the microwave is very useful because I feel like you can make a really good, yummy baba ganoush by microwaving it. And you know what? I think it's heresy to take the skin off the eggplant. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut up the eggplants enough to cook them so I can mash them up. So I need a knife. The first step is going to be, I'm going to cut up my eggplants because I want them to be easy enough that they're going to puree easily. So I'm just going to kind of, well, first off, because eggplant is basically, or baba ganoush is like the eggplant version of hummus, I thought, well, why not use sesame seed oil? I don't have olive oil, but I have some sesame seed oil, so I decided, why not use this? So I'm going to drizzle sesame seed oil in the bottom of the pan, and I'll get a little paper towel to kind of rub it around, kind of get it so, it doesn't stick. That nice sesame seeds aroma to it. And what I'll do is I'll start putting the pieces of eggplant in there. And I'm just going to microwave the eggplant. It's still going to be a really good baba ganoush, in my opinion. I don't think it has to be. I know, people are like, but it needs to be baked. Well, what if you don't feel like turning on the oven? I mean, I could have, but I didn't feel like doing it. So it's going to be microwaved. And I'm just layering the eggplant kind of on top of each other. Make layers of them. Really layer it. I'm just layering it into a little glass container. And people always say that they don't, personally, I've put raw garlic in the baba before, and I think it's lovely. But, because I know some people don't want the raw garlic. I finally bought garlic the other day. I found California garlic, but I don't know what's up with garlic. It's like this teeny tiny little section. Am I live? I don't know. Gotta go double check to make sure I'm live. Okay. I want to just make sure I'm live because I want to make sure. Let's see. Let's see. Am I live? I'm trying to make sure because if it says maybe nobody's watching. Okay, I'm live for sure. That's good. Nobody's watching. They don't have to. I kind of just like to see if people find my live streams on their own. Sometimes I'm like, I don't always feel like promoting a video on, Because I've done that before where I would promo something. By the way, do you love? I decided to just dress very cutely today in a lace top and a black skirt. Because there's days like when you're at home, you're like, you know what? It just makes me feel good about myself. Like when I was wearing pajamas, like, okay, I get it. Pajamas are comfortable. But I've noticed something. And I like to wear leggings too. But I've noticed something. Like when I wear something, like this is comfortable, by the way. I know some people would probably think, oh my gosh, a skirt's not comfortable. But sometimes I've noticed when I just wear like pajamas to bed, I don't like it because in the morning you get up and you feel so groggy. So like I kind of like didn't wear pajamas for years. Like when I slept, I would just sleep in my clothes. But I mean, I don't want to ruin my nice clothes now, so I try to sleep like in leggings or something. But I notice if I ever sleep in actual pajamas, I just feel so groggy when I wake up the next day. And it takes me longer to kind of get my day started. Like if I have a day off, like wearing loungewear or pajamas, it just doesn't put me in the right mindset for being more productive that day. So I don't know. I just thought, put on a skirt, a lace top. And I did it for myself. And I just think I like this lace top. It's still very cute. I mean, I like it. Have you ever noticed when you chop up garlic, it's sticky? I need to look up the reason for that. It's just so, it has this sticky, coated texture. I like garlic. I just don't like the sticky feeling of raw garlic. Sometimes you need a little bit of raw garlic in your life. Should I just eat some raw garlic? It's spicy and good. And after you eat some raw garlic, you do need to drink a little bit of water. So I'm kind of trying to flavor this all in advance. So more of the flavors will be ready to go when I cook it. After I cook it. Because I'm going to microwave it to make it all nice and soft. I need to buy some romaine lettuce next time. Because if you're making hummus or baba ganoush, I think like romaine lettuce leaves are the perfect thing to dip it in. Like I love pita bread or lavash bread, but like then you just end up eating way too much bread. So like the lettuce leaves are just so good. So this one I kind of just cut quicker. I'm just going to kind of layer it. I mean, basically, I'm just microwaving it to kind of get it cooked up. I'm going to start. So I'm making like this little tent. I'm just going to take some more sesame seed oil and just kind of shake it on. Let it go through the cracks of the. Okay. So. And I do not have any tahini, but I'm going to create my own tahini with the sesame seeds, okay? I have a pack. 87 cents at Walmart. 87 cents. There's sesame seeds falling out of you? Yeah, it's just the Guapo sesame seeds. And I have the Japanese pure sesame oil. And I'm just going to use that to make my own like sesame seed tahini. Okay? That's what I'm going to do, buddies. So I'm going to put him in the microwave to kind of get him going here. So while that cooks, should I make some hummus? Some like off the cuff hummus. Because you know, hummus makes life go round and we need our hummus. Our hummus. I need some hummus in my life. Hummus. I need you. I need hummus. I need hummus in my life. I need some hummus in my life. I do. So, I'm going to go looking and hunting for my chickpeas. I'm going to have a can. Okay, so a lot of chickpeas that you buy canned are problematic because they just have extra ingredients. And this brand of SW chickpeas, like if you don't want to cook your own chickpeas, it's just organic chickpeas. And lately, I kind of am going more for organic, okay? It tastes flipping better, okay? It's just organic chickpeas, water, and salt. So, I have two things to sesame seeds. Let's open up the can of chickpeas. Okay, so we're gonna make some hummus. Okay, while that's cooking, because I'm gonna cook down the. I want to be cooking my eggplant for a bit. Okay. Some people use the bean water from chickpeas to make like an aquafaba dessert. Which is interesting. Personally, don't care for it. So put the chickpeas in there. There go in the chickpeas. Okay. Then I have a lemon. A fresh local lemon, guys. A fresh lemon. It's local. Squeeze some lemon in. Up. Go get rid of these dudes. And we're going to. This is my next thing that I'm going to do with it. I'm going to put some sesame seed oil in here. Okay. This isn't pour out quite right because I've never pulled the top off it correctly years ago. I would buy a different kind of sesame seed oil next time just because this I hate. I just don't like. This one is so hard to get anything out of. So a little bit of sesame seed oil. The piece to resistance, my friends, my friendly friends, or anybody that's watching or following along to some degree, it's going to be this. Yes, friends, it's going to be this. The shiny coat. Did you know the truth set me free recently? I've been so free. I've been so happy. I've been so free. Like, the truth has just set me free, and my happiness is skyrocketed. It just really has, like, because I'm like, it's probably the best times of my life. am these days. So I'm gonna put in a whole thing of that chickpea. I'm gonna put some more sesame oil just to kind of emulsify it, to kind of help it on top. And of course, we need some spicy factor. Okay, we need some spiciness. And I'm gonna really make this a special hummus. So I'm gonna use an avocado. I have da, 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 da. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Da 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 da. I wanna go home. You know what sets you free is knowing who you are, appreciating life, and living your truth. It will set you free like nothing else. And I've been so set free lately. My happiness is just like going off the charts. You have fun, you live your life. That's all you have to do. Your only job is to have fun in this lifetime. And you feel good about everything. I just want to feel good about everything. I don't need to ever wonder about anything because I don't anymore. I don't wonder about anything. I just wonder about why I haven't been as happy as I could be. And happiness comes to those who want it in their life. Truly and really, I want to be happy. More happy than I've ever been. These lemons are pretty good little lemons. I still have more fridge. Kind of sticky though. I think I'm getting ingredients on my fingers. Look, I love garlic and I love all that stuff, but I hate the feeling of like different ingredient. It's like getting mashed against my fingers. I'm eating this for myself, so if other people don't like the way I make it, well, I should have got a different thing to scoop it out with. But this wasn't the best avocado, okay? Next time I'll just buy avocados individually. Packs of avocados are problematic. They really are. Actually, I need to find somewhere in town where people are selling avocados. Sometimes people have an avocado tree and they'll sell them for a lot cheaper and it's tastier, local, yummy avocado, just like the local oranges. And look what I have too, like local grapefruit. I also have a local lemon, local grapefruit. Just so yummy. They are so yummy.